right downtown. We are getting heavy rain. I'm at Downpour Park right here off of Riverport Road. I'm standing underneath I-26. This is I-26 West right here. That is I-26 East, back towards Sullivan Gardens Parkway, back towards Johnson City. I'm in downtown Kingsport. We're getting pretty heavy rain. And what this is, what are you seeing when you got an interstate? They have little pockets by the rails that lets the water flow off. Now you know, so it doesn't build up on the interstate. There's little outlets. So I'm getting ready to do a review on Powell's. Powell's won the Best Local Burger Award, which is sponsored basically by Channel 11 News right here in the Tri-Cities region, right here in lovely Kingsport, Tennessee. It is really raining, my friends, but we need it. I'm not complaining. How's the weather in your neck of the woods? We've been super hot here. I mean, at night we still cool off pretty good because we're in northeast Tennessee. We usually do in the summer, cool off decent at night, have decent temperatures. As you can see, there's a little wind blowing. And we've got, they have on the interstate little outlets so the water does not pile up on the interstate and cause wrecks. There's little outlets for the water to flow through the side of the interstate and down to lower sections, as you can see right here. Is it really raining, my friends? You tell me. I will do a slow-mo. Thanks for watching. I just got doing a review. I'm gonna head out of here, my friends. It's windy, rainy. I'm enjoying the weather. It's been so hot, I am enjoying this weather. Give me a thumbs up, share my videos. The wind's blowing my head around. Help me to grow right here on the Big O Show. Now that's what I'm talking about. Help me to be successful on YouTube. You feel me? I just came down a little bit further this way into Downpour Park, I-26 above me. I'm right here underneath the bridge down here where the river is, the Holston River. And over there is that restaurant, remember? Sometimes where I've done a couple of videos, that is a riverfront restaurant. Oh, it's raining, my friends. I mean, it is raining cats and dogs. Just look at it, my friends. Look at this. Look how fast the river is. We need this heavy rain though. We have been super dry. We need it. Can't get this phone wet, so gotta be careful where I walk. It's an iPhone SE2. It's not waterproof. Little vlog right here from Downpour Park, my friends. Little vlog. Look at this. Look at there coming off the interstate. That's Interstate 26 East. It comes one way back towards me. Look at the river. Just look at it. The Holston River. Heavy rain, we need it, my friends. Hope everyone's had a wonderful day like me. Be happy, be positive, be focused, be energetic. Be happy, people. Live in the moment. Keep your faith in God. If you don't believe in God, that's fine too. Everybody's got the right to believe in what they want to believe in. And I-26 East that way, I-26 West this way. I-26 begins in Kingsport, Tennessee, right here at the Virginia line. It begins in Kingsport, and I-26 ends in West. I'm sorry to say something else. I'm sorry. It ends in Charleston, South Carolina. I-26 East begins in Kingsport and ends in Charleston, South Carolina. There's Riverport Restaurant across the river. Riverfront, I said Riverport. They are packed. Let me show you. I have never ate over there. They're a little bit pricey, but I've heard they got really good food. Let's zoom in. See the parking lot? They are packed. All right, I guess I'm going to get off here, my friends. Can't just look at that river. All-wheel drive. Can't get stuck in that thing. V8. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, my friends. Share my videos, help me to grow right here on the Big O Show. There's a bunch of baseball fields here, if y'all did not know. I think Little League or whatever. And I live up that steep hill right there where those cars are coming from. Let me zoom in. See those cars? I don't know if you can see it because of the rain, but I live right up that steep hill right up there. Here's what the baseball fields look like over here. Look how much rain we've got in the last hour. It just started like an hour ago. Well, I'd say about 40 minutes ago. About 45 minutes ago. As you can see, they have little outlets, like I said earlier, where the rain will not puddle up on the interstate. It will be released to a lower level. See how it's coming from the interstate above, I-26 East. That is rain. The rain goes, where does it go? In a drain. There's one of the baseball fields. There's a little walk path, as you can see. Over here's another baseball field. Little playground for kids. See right there. All right, my friends, I'm going to check out. Thanks for watching. Be happy, positive, focused. Your boy, the Big O's out with a shout. Give me those thumbs up. Leave those comments. Help me to grow right here on the Big O Show. Later, Gators.